street name says everything about this property. Welcome to number 13 Tranquility Place in Maddington, a 554 square meter block situated on this quiet cul-de-sac right next to the Canning River location. Come and have a look, we can show you more. This beautifully renovated 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is bound to impress you. But the heart of this property will be this kitchen, finished with beautiful stone tops and the spray painted doors. On top of that, there are so many cupboards and port drawers for you to work on. Both bathrooms and the laundry been fully renovated, and there is neutral decor all throughout the property. With multiple living zones, this house gonna cater any family. Location-wise, you're not gonna get anything better in this suburb. Canning Riverside location, close to the Maddington Central Shopping Centre, train station, and you name it. Everything's in fingertips. When you come here, you feel like home. Call me today for an inspection.